Look at here, Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. Uranus is known as the gas gained plant है ये, और ब्लू कलर का दिखता है. Neptune, it is the farthest planet from the sun in the solar system. Till 2000, be informed. Till 2006, Pluto was considered the ninth planet in the solar system, but in the year 2006, scientists decided that it is too small to be called a planet. Now it is called dwarf planet. जो प्लूटो है वो 2006 में नाइन्थ प्लैनेट में उसे काउंट किया गया था, बट इन द ईयर 2006 साइंटिस्ट ने डिसाइड किया था कि वो बहुत स्मॉल साइज का है, इसीलिए उसे ड्राफ्ट प्लैनेट में रखा गया है. एंड नेक्स्ट है हमारा नेचुरल एंड आर्टिफिशियल satellites. Some heavenly bodies travel around the planet. They are called natural satellites. Our Earth has one natural satellite which we call the moon. The moon does not have an atmosphere. Its surface is also full craters and mountains. Look at here, science fact. Mars is the largest volcano in the solar system, approx 27 km high. It is called Mount Olympus. Planets कौन से हैं हमारे? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are far from the sun, and this is why they are very cold and consist mainly of frozen gases. Next है artificial satellites are scientific instruments sent by scientists or to orbit around the earth. These man-made satellites are of great use. They take photographs and send information to the earth about storms cloud weather. They also help in sending signals or transferring telephone calls. Artificial satellites also assist in the navigation of ships and aeroplanes. They are also used to monitor crops, locate minerals and deposit its. Look at here, the moon इस तरीके से होता है, and earth and its moon. Our earth is called the blue planet because 71st hemisphere near the sun has longer and warmer days because the sun rays fall directly on it. Okay, hemisphere जो है hemisphere near the sun has longer and warmer days because the sun rays fall directly on it. Therefore, this hemisphere has a summer season. The outer hemisphere receives slanting rays of the sun, so it has a shorter and cooler days of the winter season. It between these two seasons, both the hemisphere also experience autumn and spring when it is neither very hot nor very cold. Look at here, spring in the northern hemisphere and the autumn in the southern hemisphere. Summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. Sun, autumn in the northern hemisphere and the spring in the southern hemisphere. Winter in the नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर एंड द समर इन द साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर. लुक एट हियर, इस तरीके से पूरा यहाँ पे पिक्चर पेस्ट की गई है जिससे पूरा आइडिया आ सके. द रीजन ऑफ द अर्थ नियर द इक्वेटर रिसीव द ऑलमोस्ट द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ द सनलाइट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. This region always remain hot and has days and night of equal direction. 12 hours each one. Of the other hand, the poles receive sunlight only for this month and remain dark for the next month. Test your knowledge. Which of these planet is closer to the sun? So answer is Mercury. Second है, which of the following has its own light? Sun. Which of these is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury. Which of these is brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First है, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Second है, Earth is the third planet from the sun. The sun is the ruggy ball of fire. Fourth, Mars is also called the red planet. The planet farthest from the sun is Neptune. Write the true and false. First है our Earth is between Venus and Mars. True. Venus is the biggest, brightest planet. True. Mercury is the hottest planet. False. Without the sun, there would be no life on the earth. True. Season or change due revolutions of the earth. False. Sorry, true. हाँ हाँ